Hey everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. Today we are going to see how to create a subscription product and how we can use that inside a quotation or a sale order. Okay, or how we can sell that subscription product to our customer. So here we are going to create a subscription product, sell it to a particular customer and activate the recurring billing cycle. For that, let's head over to the subscription module. Okay. Once we are head over to subscription module, here you will get the dashboard and there we can find the different kind of subscription quotation that is in progress. Okay. So for creating a new subscription product, let's head over to the product side and here we are going to create a new one. For that, from the dashboard itself, you can find different kind of subscription product, which is premium support plan, camera service, car leasing, and there we have the detergent, everything. Okay. So here I'm going to create a new one. For that, let me give the product name. It's a demo plan, demo monthly plan. Okay. So here I'm putting that demo monthly plan. So here I'm going to give this particular monthly plan to my customer in a monthly basis. Okay. So here it is, checked as the sales and subscription. And there we have the purchase also. So it means it's basically to make this product as working as a subscription. You need to enable the sales subscription. And since this is not a physical item, you need to provide this product type as the service. So from here, it's like from the subscription module itself, you're creating any new subscription product. It will be auto-populated. Like Odoo will be automatically checked. This is the service type per one and it is also enabled the sales subscription and the purchase as well. But if you're creating a product from the sales module itself, it is not enabled. So you must watch that and you must ensure about what are the things that enabled and the product type is still in the service sector or not. You need to ensure it. Okay. And here we have the create an order, which means we are going to create nothing on this particular thing. And here we have the invoicing policy. So it will be on prepaid or fixed one because this is basically we need to choose an invoicing policy inside a subscription product. So subscription product requires a kind of invoicing behavior. So here you can simply select it as the prepaid and fixed or prepaid or fixed service, invoices. So this means the customer is billed upfront as soon as the subscription starts. So this basically is very helpful for the things which is software subscription, support plans, monthly retrainer, and there we have the membership program. So you can use this invoicing policy for that kind of subscription product also. Okay. And there we have the plan service, which means if you are going to enable this, a shift will automatically be generated for the selected role when confirming the sale order. So with the auto plan feature, only employees with this role will be automatically assigned shift for the sale orders containing the service. Okay. And the system will consider employee availability and the remaining time to be planned. And you can also manually schedule open shift for your sale order or assign them to any employee that you prefer. So if you want this option, you can simply check on this option, which is plan service. Okay. And there we have the sale price. So here I can simply provide the sale price, which is $100. And there we have the sales tax, our tax category, cost, purchase tax, categories. If you want to provide any category, let it be the service one. Okay. Let's search for the service one. Yeah, here we have the service. So this particular subscription product belongs to a service. And there we have the reference and company. There we have the attribute and variant. So if you want to provide any attribute and variant for any particular subscription product, you can simply provide that. And there we have the sales. Under the sales, there we have the upsell and cross-sell, eCommerce shop, eCommerce media, eCommerce description, quotation description, expense as well. And here we have another important tab, which is recurring price. Okay. So you need to provide a recurring plan from here itself. So here I'm going to give it as a monthly plan. And you can simply provide a price list as per your concern. Here I'm not going to give that. And there we have the price. So let me give the price as $100. And $100. Once I'm done with that, there we have the purchase tab and as well the accounting tab. So you can find all such details regarding this particular product, subscription product from the tab itself. Like by creating a service product or the subscription product, you can see the general information, attribute variant, sales, recurring plan, purchase, and accounting from or while we creating this particular product. Oh, okay. So now let's move back to the general information, and here I'm going to save this, and I'm also going to give a priority for this particular product. Once I'm done with that, let's move to the subscription and let's create a new quotation. Okay. So this product is actually ready to sold. So let's give the customer information, which is the co-edit. And there we have the referrer, invoice address, delivery address, quotation template. So here we have the delivery date and also recurring plan. So let me give you the recurring plan, which is monthly. So you guys need to give or ensure there we have the recurring plan. If you are not giving any recurring plan instead of, or you are giving any particular product inside or line tab, it will be invalid operation. Okay. So you need to provide a recurring plan. And now let's give the product is demo monthly plan. Once I'm done with that, there it shows one quantity. Basically, every subscription plan is giving you the quantity of one. It didn't mention any kind of more quantity. And there we have the unit price and the amount as well. So let me remove the tags from here. Once I'm done with that, I can simply click on the confirm option. So this is the subscription quotation we are created, subscription quotation, and it's confirmed into a sale order. So we are done with that. Okay. So now let's create an invoice. For creating an invoice, click on that option and you will get a wizard like this. And after creating an invoice, there you can find under the invoice line, the product is demo monthly plan for 1 month. Starting from the 11/28/2025 to 12/27/2025. This is the starting and the end date of the subscription plan because it's belong to a monthly subscription plan. And there we have the account, quantity, price, and amount as well, everything. Okay. So once we are done with that, let's confirm this. We are done with the confirmation. Okay. We need to create a payment. We can simply create a payment. Yeah, it's in payment and we are done with everything. So under the payment session, there you can find our payment details and everything. So the subscription plan and every detail about the payment. And there we have the invoice. Under the invoice, there you can find the invoices. And there we have our sale order. So let it load from the sale order. From itself, you can find all the details about the particular subscription. And if you want to renew this subscription, you can simply click on the renew option. And if you want to send this to your customer, you can simply send this. And if you want to preview this, you can do that. If you want to cancel the subscription at any time, you can simply cancel this. And if you want to upsell this, you can upsell it. You can close that, and you can also give a lock. If the sale is locked, you cannot modify it anymore. However, you will still be able to invoice or deliver. Okay. So now there you can find a smart button which is MRR. So you can find the MRR report from here itself. So there you can find how much amount and what are the MRR change and everything. Okay. So after renewing this subscription product, you can find all the details from here report. From the report itself. Okay. So now let's move back to the sale order. So that's all about the subscription. To creating a subscription product and how we can sell the subscription product to customer and how we can do all such things inside the subscription module. Okay. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.